This is Bobby. He's one of our second-year paint apprentices working at Solus Basingstoke. Ahead of National Apprentice Week, I sat down with him to find out more about his journey.
My mum's in the industry and so is my dad, so I thought it would be a good trade to go into. My mum's an MET technician, he's a mechanic. Just get brought out around it really, like, grow up around it. It's fun really as well, to be honest. Really just the whole paint side, to be honest. I did expect it to be easy, and the more you get into it, you don't always... Natural, to be fair, but 6 weeks into my apprenticeship, so it's a big step, really. Definitely getting in the booth and painting, yeah. We're on a rota, so every 3 weeks I'm in the booth. We're allowed to do theory side whilst we work as well. We can come up here, do a bit of theory. We got a lot of time at Thatcham as well to catch up on anything we missed out. Yeah, it's a nice atmosphere. Probably the first time I painted, it was a great feeling to see the result. Just go for it. It's a great option.
Thanks, Bobby. To find out more about our apprenticeship programme, search Solus Early Careers. Applications are open now.